Hey guys, hi, how are you all doing? You're welcome to this video. I'm making this video because I recently got myself a new hand blender or stick blender and I want us to unbox it together. So join me. Yeah, you're welcome. So here it is, recently delivered, and I'm going to open this up. Hopefully it's worth it. It was quite cheap compared to what the older one cost, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what it really looks like. So yeah, it's called Yisvik hand blender 5-in-1, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. Nice. So it comes with a manual. I'll have a look at that later. And first off is the actual hand blender. This is actually very solid. It's quite heavy, and yeah, it's a 220 to 240 volt for 50 hertz and 1200 watts. So this should fit a normal UK socket. So this is the attachment for the blender, the hand blender, and it fits in nicely like this. It looks very durable. It's heavy, solid, and what I love most about it, I mean, just looking at it, is the fact that it's stainless steel, and yeah, it's going to do a lot of purpose. It's here for a lot of work. Like I make a lot of creams, like for the family use and all of that. So I'm quite pleased with this. I actually had one, but I ended up using it for food, blended my tomatoes and stuff, and it got stained. So I didn't think it was nice to continue, so kept that aside. It also comes with a frotter. How does this? I bet it has an attachment. Let's see. Let's see. So this is the blender cup. Nice, it's quite big, and it's at 800 mils. Quite big. It comes with a whisk attachment. Oh, this looks to me like the attachment for the frotter and the whisk. Correct. So this is the attachment for the frotter and the whisk, and it comes in, so it fits in. So if it were plugged and I were to whisk, just doing my thing. This is nice. Looks very solid, and it comes with this food processor. This is actually big compared to what I have. I mean, everything about it is big compared to what I have, so I think I'm quite pleased with this. Nice. So I'll keep this as a spare because I have a manual one and the other one that came with a currently used stick blender. So I'll just keep this as a spare, or you never know, I might just start using it because yeah, this is nice. So thanks for watching with me this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. If you are interested in getting this, leave me a comment and then I can link the product I got. This product I got off Amazon. I could put in the Amazon link for you guys so that you can get it. Trust me, it's durable, like I said, and it's it's worth it. It's really affordable. So let me know what you think, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.